Have you ever wondered how your favorite crayons are made? Could you imagine the incredible process behind creating those colorful sticks of joy? Crayons have been a staple in classrooms and homes for over a century, sparking creativity in kids and adults alike. But have you ever thought about how these vibrant colors come to life? From the raw materials to the final product, a fascinating journey goes into the creation of each crayon. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore the intricate process that goes into making crayons, how different pigments are mixed, the machinery used, and what makes Crayola the industry leader. You'll be amazed at how something as simple as a crayon involves such a complex production system. Before we dive into the process, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you're ready to learn how crayons are made. Let's get started. Crayon production in America began in the early 1900s, with many companies vying for dominance in the lucrative art supplies and school markets. However, one company, Crayola, emerged as the clear leader in the industry. In 1903, the Crayola brand was born, and over 120 years later, it remains the go-to name for crayons worldwide. Crayola is so well known that the brand name itself has become synonymous with crayons, a legacy that all began with a woman named Alice Binney, the wife of one of the company's founders. It's remarkable to note that the Crayola company now produces an average of 3 billion crayons annually. That's about 8 million crayons a day. If you were to line them up, they would stretch around the world 6 times. Over the past 120 years, crayon production has evolved dramatically. While early crayon sets offered only 8 basic colors, today, Crayola offers over 120 shades ranging from basic hues to dazzling glitter-filled options. But how exactly are these iconic crayons made? Let's dive into the detailed journey of crayon production. Raw materials. The crayon-making process begins with paraffin, a wax derived from petroleum, coal, or wood. This substance is ideal for crayons due to its non-toxic properties, making it safe for children, and its compatibility with various pigments. One of paraffin's key features is its nice rub-off, which allows it to leave a smooth layer of wax on paper during use, making it perfect for creating vivid drawings. Delivered to crayon factories in liquid form, paraffin arrives in specially designed trucks that maintain warm temperatures to keep it from solidifying during transport. The wax liquefies at approximately 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, ensuring it remains manageable for processing upon arrival. An equally important component of crayon production is the pigment. Pigments are responsible for the vibrant array of colors that make crayons so appealing and versatile. These substances blend seamlessly with paraffin wax to create a wide range of hues that artists and children alike enjoy. By combining paraffin's smooth application properties with high-quality pigments, manufacturers produce crayons that are both durable and colorful, making them an essential tool for creative expression. This efficient and carefully controlled process ensures that each crayon meets safety standards while offering the brilliant colors and smooth texture that users expect. Together, paraffin wax and pigments form the foundation of crayon production, resulting in a beloved product used around the world. The role of pigments. Pigments used in crayon production are typically in powdered form, as paraffin wax, the main component of crayons, cannot mix with water-based solutions. To achieve the desired colors, pigments are created by specialized suppliers who follow exact formulas provided by the crayon manufacturer. The pigment creation process begins in large wooden tanks where various chemicals are carefully mixed to produce the base color. Once the mixture is complete, it is filtered to remove impurities and then dried to form chunks of pigment. These chunks are subsequently ground into a fine powder, ensuring that the pigment can blend seamlessly with the wax during crayon production. The powdered pigments are then sent to the crayon factory, where they are mixed with the paraffin wax to create vibrant and consistent color. Crayon manufacturers often use a variety of pigments to achieve the broad range of colors available today. The careful blending of these pigments is crucial to the overall quality of the crayon, as even slight color variations can affect the final product. In recent years, companies like Crayola have expanded their crayon offerings by incorporating special features such as glitter and scents. Glitter is added to certain crayons, giving them a sparkling effect as they reflect light, adding a fun, visually appealing dimension to the drawing experience. Additionally, scented crayons have been introduced, offering a variety of fragrances that enhance the creative process. These innovations provide a more immersive experience for children and artists alike, allowing them to enjoy not just the colors but also unique textures and scents, further elevating the crayon's role in creative expression. Heating and mixing. Once the paraffin wax reaches the factory, it is heated in industrial boilers to a temperature of about 82 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, turning it into a liquid. The temperature and time spent heating the wax are precisely controlled to maintain the safety and quality of the product. Once liquefied, the paraffin is transferred into massive silos that can hold up to 65,000 liters, far more than a typical large helicopter's maximum takeoff weight. At this stage, precautions are taken to handle the flammable paraffin carefully, ensuring workers are equipped with breathing masks to prevent inhaling fine particles. The wax is then moved from storage towers to mixing kettles, where it is combined with clay. This mixture strengthens the crayons and serves as a filler, helping the company create more crayons using the same amount of wax. Synthetic chemicals are also added to the blend to prevent the mixture from sticking to molds and to improve the rub-off properties of the crayon. Finally, powdered pigments are introduced into the mixture to create the desired colors. Blending and molding. The paraffin wax and pigment mixture is carefully maintained at a constant temperature and stirred continuously to ensure even color distribution. Once the mixture is fully blended, it is pumped into a rotary machine, which is responsible for injecting the wax into molds that shape the crayons. These molds come in various sizes and shapes depending on the type of crayon being produced, but they all create the familiar cylindrical crayon form. The molds are typically made from metal or silicone, designed to ensure precise shaping and consistency for each crayon. To speed up the solidification process, cool water is circulated around the molds once the wax is injected. Within just 60 seconds, the wax cools and hardens, effectively trapping the pigments and forming vibrant colors. This rapid cooling process ensures that the crayons are ready for the next stage of production. Any excess wax that overflows from the molds is carefully scraped off by a specialized blade. This excess material is collected and recycled back into the system, allowing it to be used in the production of new crayons. This recycling process helps minimize waste and ensures that the manufacturing operation remains efficient and sustainable, contributing to the overall eco-friendliness of the crayon production process. Production capacity and efficiency. Crayon production has evolved significantly over the years, utilizing advanced machinery that ensures both high efficiency and the ability to meet the global demand for crayons. One of the key machines in the production process is the rotary machine, which is capable of producing 2,700 crayons in a single cycle. The efficiency of this machinery allows crayon manufacturers to run multiple machines simultaneously, significantly increasing production capacity. In a typical crayon factory, several of these machines work in tandem to produce as many as 30,000 crayons per hour, ensuring that the factory meets the high demand for crayons worldwide. Given the vast range of colors available today, easily exceeding 100 hues, the production lines in crayon factories are highly specialized. These lines run continuously, often 24/7, with specific vats and molds dedicated to different colors. This setup is critical for maintaining efficiency while ensuring that the desired color consistency is achieved. By utilizing such high-capacity and specialized production lines, crayon factories can meet the needs of schools, art studios, and retail consumers around the world. With this level of efficiency, crayon production can keep pace with demand, ensuring that high-quality crayons are readily available. Quality control and inspection. Despite the highly efficient production process, quality control remains a crucial aspect of crayon manufacturing. After the molding process, each crayon is meticulously inspected for any defects that may have occurred during the manufacturing process. Inspectors focus on several key areas, including cracks, chips, and bubbles, which may appear during the cooling phase. Bubbles are a particular concern, as they can occur if the wax and pigment mixture is not thoroughly blended before it is poured into molds. These imperfections compromise the quality of the crayon, affecting its usability and appearance. When a defect is detected, the affected crayon is immediately removed from the production line and sent back to the melting vats. This ensures that no substandard products make it to the final stages of production. Labeling and packaging. Once the crayons pass the inspection stage, they proceed to the next step in the process, labeling. Each crayon is coated with a layer of adhesive, and the labels are applied using an automated labeling machine. These machines are equipped with rotating drums and small mechanical arms that carefully wrap the label around each crayon. The labeling process is fast and highly efficient, with one machine capable of labeling up to 8,500 crayons per hour. To ensure that production goals are met, crayon factories often operate multiple labeling machines simultaneously. This allows the factory to keep pace with the high volume of crayons being produced. The labeling machines are designed for accuracy, ensuring that the labels are applied securely and consistently across large quantities of crayons. In addition to product labels, packaging can also include branding, safety information, and other relevant details. The entire labeling process is automated to reduce human error and ensure consistency in the final product. Final quality check. Before the crayons are packed and shipped to retailers or consumers, a final quality check is performed. This last inspection stage is vital to ensure that the crayons meet all required standards for color accuracy, hardness, and other specifications. Random samples from each batch are taken for testing, where they are examined for the desired properties. This check ensures that the crayons meet the color standards set by the manufacturer, as well as the expected durability and usability. In this final quality control stage, any discrepancies or defects discovered in the crayons are promptly addressed. For example, if a batch shows a slight variation in color or hardness, corrective measures can be implemented, such as adjusting the wax-to-pigment ratio or changing the cooling method. Only the crayons that pass the final check are approved for packaging. This rigorous final inspection ensures that consumers receive crayons that are vibrant, consistent in color, and durable for everyday use. Packaging. Once the crayons have passed the final quality checks, they are prepared for packaging. The packaging process involves grouping the crayons into sets, which are then placed into boxes or shrink-wrapped for shipping. The packaging is designed not only to protect the crayons during transportation, but also to provide an attractive and informative presentation to consumers. In many cases, the packaging features colorful designs and branding to appeal to children, educators, and art enthusiasts. Packaging machines are designed to handle high volumes of crayons efficiently, ensuring that they are securely placed in their packaging and ready for distribution. To meet the high demand for crayons, packaging lines operate quickly and efficiently. The packaged crayons are then sealed and prepared for shipment, ensuring they are delivered to stores or directly to consumers in perfect condition. The packaging process also includes labeling with important information, such as product details, age recommendations, and safety warnings, further ensuring that consumers are well informed about the product they are purchasing. That concludes the crayon's journey from raw materials to the final product. Starting with the heating and mixing of paraffin wax, followed by the addition of vibrant pigments, the entire process showcases a perfect blend of precision, efficiency, and strict quality control. The result is a timeless, colorful creation that has brought joy and inspiration to children and artists for generations. It's amazing to see how something as simple as a crayon undergoes such a detailed and intricate transformation before bringing color into our lives. From its origins in raw wax and pigments to the finished product that sparks creativity, the process highlights the craftsmanship behind everyday items we often take for granted. If you're curious about the production of other household items, be sure to explore our other videos for more fascinating behind-the-scenes insights. Discover the surprising complexity of making everyday objects and see how innovation and creativity shape the world around us. And that's the end of our colorful journey into how crayons are made. We hope you enjoyed discovering the process behind these vibrant creations that bring art to life. If you found this fascinating, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss more exciting behind-the-scenes content. Stay tuned for more incredible stories about how everyday items are brought to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.